Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Nova 10 Youth, and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings and then scroll down to the very bottom to find System and Updates. Then let's tap on Date and Time. And as you can see here, we've got some options connected with the date and time. However, right now we cannot set them manually. It is because we are using this automatic option, which will of course automatically set the date, time and the time zone. So first of all, let's turn off this option just by tapping on the switcher. And as you can see right now, we've got this date, time and the time zone options active. So let's start with the date. Just by tapping and by swiping, we can change the date, confirm it with OK. The same situation with the time. Just swipe and tap on OK. As you can see, it will immediately appear on the status bar. We can also change the time zone, just tap on it, and here we will be transferred to the full list of available time zones from which we can choose. So basically all you have to do is to find yours and tap on it. So let me randomly pick this one. Just tap, and as you can see, it will be immediately applied. However, of course, be aware that after changing the time zone, that time will also change according to it. It's quite normal. Right here you can decide what kind of clock format you want to use. You can use 24-hour format just like right now, and you can turn it off to apply the 12-hour format. And here you can decide whether you want to use the dual clocks, which simply means that your device will show you two different clocks from two different places. The first one from the place you're currently in, and the second one from the place of your choice, so you can pick any city from around the world. So again, it's up to you if you want to use this option or not. You can activate and disable it just by using this switcher. And basically this is the whole manual customization of the date and time. Of course, you can go back to all previous settings, so the automatic settings, just by tapping on the switcher right here. And as you can see, it will be immediately changed, and the same situation if you want to use 24-hour format. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.